Hello all. In this video, we are going to see about the Kingmaker workshop from Tutoraj. As the name suggests, what is a Kingmaker in website development world, right? You will become the go-to person that every entrepreneur in the city will be hunting. The first important step that you'll be learning is how to host a website on your own. We have already seen how to basically build basic websites using WordPress and other CMS. And now is the time to take the local website and host it online. There are multiple magic steps that happen in the background, and we will demonstrate it right to you during the call. The next step is basically to bring a lot of user traffic by building a great UI and fluid web design. That is going to be focusing around the cascading style sheets for CSS on how to make the website look extremely beautiful and responsive. So your website needs to be extremely responsive in the sense that it renders really well and looks very rich and professional. The next step is basically to store those important customer information effectively and securely. During this process, we'll tell you how to use SQL to structure the data effectively, make queries, going on. Now that you have all the customer information stored effectively, the next is to make some business insights out of it. So we will teach you how to build real-time dynamic business analytics reports with the help of PHP programming language. So even if you don't have any prerequisite on CSS or SQL or PHP, do not worry. During the workshop, we'll tell you all the basics that are required. The next step is basically to perform search engine optimization, where you bring lots and lots of extra customers into your website, right? So as a Kingmaker, it is your responsibility to ensure that you not only give birth to a website, but also to ensure that the website grows. It is similar to a kid, right? Once a kid is born, you can't leave it. You have to make sure that during the adolescent period, during the childhood period, you have to ensure that they grow. So that is what SEO is for the website. You basically ensure that when a search is performed on Google or Bing or anywhere for that matter, the search top results, your website name should appear. That is SEO, and we will teach you how to do it. Now that you perform SEO, a lot of people will start coming to the website. And along with people, there will be some anti-social elements as well. Somebody with malicious intent. And we will teach you how to prevent those attacks and hacking attempts. So all the best practices that will make a website secure will also be taught. So what are you waiting for? Basically, if you learn all of these skills, that is essentially what you need to become the Kingmaker in the online business. Once you learn these skills, every entrepreneur will want to make a deal with you and give you the money to build a website for them. Interested to enroll? Please click on the link below, and I'll be excited to see you in the workshop. Bye-bye.